Hi, my loves. I hope you guys are hair growth. Look at that clean pull, period. Always follow the hair growth so your customer does not have any ingrowns. Now we're going to proceed with a big cleanup strip. Cleanup strips should also be thinner than the first initial strips as there's little specks of hair that's left over. Nice pull with pressure. Ladies, do not forget April calendar is out now. I will be gone from the 22nd to the 27th, so make sure you book in advance as spots are very limited. Hairless bright armpits for the win. Add your next underarm service to your Brazilian package for these results. Love you guys.